Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do part of the activity for controlling confounding variables, the random assignment activity, just to show you with the pennies that sometimes random assignment's not enough. So you're gonna complete this Google poll, and this is it here, and then you're going to come back after there's about at least 10 responses. It can be more than 10 responses, but at least 10 responses. And I'm going to show you what you would do here with only 3 responses. So you come back to the Google poll, you go under responses, like I just clicked up here, and then you're going to go to, notice that there's my 3 email addresses. This is fabricated data. Go up here to view responses in sheets. And I have 3 responses. You'll have at least 10. And then I'm going to click, each of these is one of those questions. How many times did you get a certain ratio? I'm going to click this one here. And I want to sum. I want to know the total number of times. So in Excel, it automatically does that. Here you have to just highlight. So I'll show you it here for another one. So I clicked here in the cell at the bottom. You'll have at least 10. If there's more than 10, that's great. I only have 3. And I'm going to click sum because I want the sum total number of times at least 10 individuals got this ratio. And again, it's not highlighted. So I'm going to highlight those cells, click enter, and voila. Another way I guess you could probably do it is highlight the cells first, click sum, and then see, it's already populated it for me. So I'm just going to copy, Control C, Control V. Google Sheets didn't seem to like it when I tried to drag and drop like you can in Excel. Okay, so now I have all of these totals. And so if you want to put the total sum so you know what that row is for as well. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to highlight all of these. So I highlighted my total cells, and I'm going to go to Insert up here, come down to Chart, and it automatically gives me a chart. Now this is just quick and dirty. We're not going to worry about anything else right now. And this is what I want you to, you can save and then submit to me. So I want you to be able to see, it should look something like this, like a bell-shaped curve, where majority is around 50-50, but you're going to have some outliers here. So that, if you were using those pennies to assign individuals to control or experimental group, every once in a while you might get one that's very far off from what you need to have.